History Mom here. This just happened. I was listening to some music, and next thing I know, this goes off. You want to tell me what you think? Creepy? Weird? What? And as you can tell, there's no child outside. She's in the house watching a movie. I'll turn it off. Love to know what y'all think. Up here it goes again. And this time the video went blurry. For some reason, as you can tell, a minute ago it was clear. What do y'all think? Ghost? Maybe. Battery short? Who knows? But just remember, it was kind of creepy to me. Listening to music, next thing you know, oh no! The toy goes off. Remember to like, subscribe, share. Have a good night, y'all. History Mom out.